can break out of the range. So this is what's gonna go down. Boom, we come down. We create a 5-minute. If we do, we can look for a retracement for lower prices, or we create that 5-minute or whatever, or maybe we don't, and we just come down, and maybe there's like we should have like a 5-minute if we just violently. We could either, like say it's like right here. We could either get along targeting the gap. So that's one scenario. We could wait for inversion to long, or we could also retest. We could test the gap and short from it. So those are my scenarios. Here's news, it's coming out. So, yeah. Data highs, equal highs. So ideally I want to see a sweep of these 4-hour and what's it called, for us to work higher. I mean, we did get technically. Did we get a sweep here? No. So we'll see what the fuck wants to. So I'll just mark this out as data highs. I mean, there is like a 5-minute right here that we're technically rejecting. I don't think that's good enough to short, especially when we leave equal highs like this with the data high. I wouldn't necessarily want to go against that. At least in my eyes, it doesn't seem like the best thing to do. So right now we're just looking for us to manipulate or something in some sort of direction, or just move. So, I mean, you could take the short. I mean, there are equal lows here too, but and data lows, but I don't think this would be a good short in my eyes. I want to see us still deliver off of something. So, I mean, there's this 5-minute. I can't take that though. That's just an inversion, random inversion. We didn't sweep any sort of liquidity at all. So, yeah. Like I said, I'd like to see these this 4-hour low and this 15-minute low get tapped into, and then we can see higher prices. If we get a setup before this 4-hour, I'll do lower risk. If we get the 15-minute, if we get everything I want to see, I'll take normal size. So all-time highs. So that's what I'm looking at now. So yeah, we are drawing towards that 4-hour as of right now. If we hit this 4-hour, so let's say we hit it. Dude, I need to shit so bad. Dog. Just make sure my copy trader's good. Yup. Let's see what we can do today. Let's see if we get anything in the first place. Let's check ES. Yeah, so they still have yet to come into this shit. They still haven't taken out anything. I don't really give a fuck about this 15-minute or whatever the fuck it is. It's not what I want to see. So. Beautiful. Got a little deposit. So yeah, your best bet if you for some reason want to take this would be the 2-minute. I'll chart it up, but I'm not taking this. Take it to the dead high. I don't like this personally. And I hope it doesn't even inverse because I want lower prices. But this is like literally all you're getting is the inversion. And nah, yeah, you're not really getting shit. The fuck are we rejecting? Yeah, you're just getting inversion. Alright, this 5-minute right here. Not rejecting shit on NQ. So, I mean, it could work, but ideally, probability is not, like, the probability is not on your side whatsoever. But, yeah, I didn't even inverse it either. Good. Let's see if we can get a resweep of these lows. Alright, cool. So we're creating a internal low. I'll still throw this up here actually, this 2-minute, because just in case we take the low and we need to, and that's like what happens, we do inverse it, then I'll take that. But like if we take this 4-hour and shit, I look to take that then. But again, like I said, if we don't hit this 15-minute, I have to go light risk. It's not my ideal A+ scenario. I want to make sure all that fucking low resistant liquidity is taken out before we target highs, because essentially that low that takes it out will be a high resistant low. Yeah, so just patience. Still got a minute for this 2-minute to inverse, so hopefully if it does inverse, it doesn't send price higher, because that'd be pretty annoying. we got these equal highs here as well. So hopefully we can get a little sweep here, inversion, and yeah, sweep. Honestly, just take the whole fucking thing out would be nice, but let's see, how are the, alright, I actually did sell off all of my Archer yesterday, I can't lie, and I had a pretty insane entry. If you go on the quarterly chart, I didn't have 6, I sold off more than that yesterday because I needed to, but I bought at this quarterly order block, and it's basically bottom ticked it during the dump. So I literally, that was my price, 606. So yeah. Thought that was pretty cool, and I took advantage of it. Got the dub off of it. So let's see. Wait, what is everything looking like? Solana's looking a lot better. XRP I also sold off yesterday because I needed to pay for some shit. So alright. Looks like we're coming for that 4-hour now. Ideally. Oh my gosh, I have to go to the bathroom really bad. Whew. Oh my gosh, I have to go to the bathroom so bad. But it looks good, like we're kind of generating low resistance liquidity to the upside. Ideally, we, like I said, go down and take out that 15-minute gap, get a reaction off it, make an obvious reaction, obvious setup to long off of, and yeah. Other than that, that's about it. Alright, so here's this, we're coming for this 4-hour, it looks like. We're going to possibly hit it on this candle. There we go. So that's that 4-hour. So now, we do this 1 minute right here. Alright, so their 4-hour is that one. So we will have S&T. Just make sure there's no 5 minutes, no 15s. Alright, cool. Now I gotta calculate risk for this. We do have an S&T put in. Yeah, I'd take 4 on that. Let's take this off. Not necessary anymore. So they did hit this 4-hour. We're still decently premiumed, but alright, so ideally we'll have like this 2 minute created or something. So check the 5, we have nothing on the 5. Yeah. Check the 4. We don't have anything on the 4. 3 minute we may have. 2 minute we may have. So let's just put this as of right now up here. So 121. I'm just watching the. We'll probably get this 3 minute. Alright, so we're gonna have this 3 minute. So it's gonna be like a little PDI if we can get this entry. If not, we'll probably just continue lower. Um, but as of right now, we have this 3 minute. I'll watch the 4. I don't see anything else on NASDAQ for a reason for us to not go higher yet. Let me check S&P. I mean, we still have these lows, which is our 15 minute that we have on NQ that we took. But yeah, we could be seeking that as of right now, and then we could go higher. But yeah, so I'm watching this 4 minute. That will probably get oh my gosh, do I have to go to the bathroom? So I don't know. I mean, I really want to take the 2 minute because it looks so good. If we get it, I might have to. All right, but like I said, I'll go high. I'll go my normal risk on this setup, um, because it is what I wanted to see. Let's see this 4 minute. We're not gonna get, or we're gonna get most likely. So let's see this 2 minute. We got 10 seconds for this 2 minute. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, so we do have a 4 minute. So looking like what we're gonna have to wait for, unfortunately. Let's make sure this doesn't have a 5. We do have a 5 minute right here. If they are able to like displace through this 5, then I will take. If not, I'll do low risk because I am very confident on this draw and liquidity, and I'm not letting it be like, oh, an ego thing or whatever. But I will throw an alert here just so I know, because like we could be far away from it and I can still take it technically. It just depends on if we hit it before I enter, and where NASDAQ's at, like when they're, yeah, so. Like if we're like up at these equal highs and they hit it, then that's totally fine. But I don't want to be taking something that yeah. So let's see what the risk would be on this. 139 ticks. Alright, we can go, yeah, let's do that. So we got about 2.5 minutes. That's okay that they made that 5 minute. Let's see if we what NASDAQ is looking like in the first place. Is it looking like it's gonna create more LR or there's 2 minutes about an inverse. Ugh. But I gotta wait. Gotta wait 2 minutes, bro. So yeah, realistically, all I really want is data highs today. Well, hit this hourly OB here. Alright, so we gotta pay attention to time for this as well. So we got a minute. I don't know what to think right now. ES still has not hit this 5 minute though. We got 1 minute though for this 4 minute. Yeah, I'm not sure what the fuck's going on here. If we do, fucking, I don't think we're gonna come up here. I'm just not bearish though. If we do inverse on this candle, I'll actually be impressed. No, we're not. So we got 4 minutes. The thing is, we're gonna be opening a 15-minute gap potentially. So ideally, if we inverse this 4, we have to fucking rip. If not, we gotta be paying attention and have to kind of work off of that, because that could definitely drive price lower. But what would be nice is honestly at this point just an internal low sweep, and then we get a long, so then we don't really get cooked by that 15 minute potentially, and we could use it as like a break even or take profit area. That would be decent, I would say. We got some generation of liquidity here. So that's the 5 minute we'll just mark out. I'll just mark this as accumulation zone high. Let me turn this off. So we did get an internal low sweep. I don't like this. This is like so mid. You're just like asking for a stop with a fucking, like, obviously it'd be great to have like an insane like boom, you know, but yeah, something like this. If they can hit this 4 hour, then we could be good probably. I'm trying to figure out what oh, so that's all the way. Oh, that's far. So I don't know if we need to come down here to this hourly gap or what, but I know for sure it looks like we're looking for this 4 hour. So yeah, let me mark this out though. So we just came into that. Let's see. I mean, like on the 4 hour range. I mean, the daily candle still not rebalanced. On here, we definitely have not rebalanced. So So I gotta pay attention. Bro, give me the long tool. So yeah, best we're gonna get is this 1 minute. And that's if we even get it. Alright, so we did create that 15 minute. So yeah, we just gotta wait for this 1 minute, essentially. Just kind of looking at both. I don't know if we need this low. Let me check the 15 minute. I mean, this looks pretty dang decent. Check the 5 minute here. Do we have anything before the 15? No, we do not. I think everything's fine. I think we can rip this with my normal size and see what the fuck wants to happen. Let's see, is this reward 1-to-1? No. And then we'll target data highs. But yeah, so this is like a Mac model essentially. I'm just waiting for that inversion. This is very slow. Let's pay attention to this 5. Will we be getting a 5? We might be getting a 5. Maybe we just need to trade up to here. I don't necessarily need to look at ES anymore, as long as, because I have the alerts. The only thing I don't need to look at their 1 or anything. I just need to look at their 5 and 15s, because those are what could fuck us over. And it looks like for us, we're not creating a 5. Yeah, so that's fine. So as of right now, we still have the 1 minute that we want to work off of. Yeah. Yeah, and they as well. So I'm looking for inversion right here. On this candle would be great. So um, so what do we have here? We have an unfilled gap with equal highs, data highs, low resistant liquidity, sweep of higher time frame gap like liquidity, and we tapped into their gaps, we rebalanced it, and we have an S&T inside it. So that's what I see personally for my setup. Um, and yeah, we'll just wait for this 1 minute. And I want to break even at this 15 minute. Depending on entry, I could potentially get a TP spot here. But yeah, so we'll just wait for this 1 minute. Hopefully we can get that candle closure through on this candle, please. I'll give it like one more candle probably, and if not, then I think I can't really. I don't know if I want to take it because it's taken so damn long. But I mean, it still looks pretty good. This reminds me of yesterday almost. Like when we got the inversion, we kind of chopped like for a couple minutes, like 3 minutes or whatever, at the lows, and then we didn't take the liquidity, but then we just ran to all-time highs. So this kind of looks similar, but I don't want to chop for long for us to create some sort of low resistance liquidity that we'll just instantly take out. But I don't necessarily see us taking shit out without hitting the 15-minute first, so that's another thing. Ideally we can, yeah, so we just came in that fucking 1 minute gap, and looks like we're gonna close bullish. Hopefully we can inverse on this one. It's not looking like we're gonna do that though. Fucking hell, bro. Yeah, so on this candle, if we can inverse it, that'll actually be pretty good. It's looking pretty good so far. Because then this will be an OB, this will be an OB. So we'll have these candles that should support price higher. But that's if we inverse this gap. We kind of have to do it on this candle. I'd like that the most. Like the longer we wait, the less I like it. And the more I'd want to see a retracement, because at this point we just look like accumulating. Like we're just accumulating, but if we get that, I mean, yes, it looks like it wants to run the highs. Ideally, they just wait for us. Oh my goodness. So I'm getting ready. I got my risk already set. Just waiting to press buy. Come on, dog. Let's get this shit. I'm just not gonna look. I'm gonna give it like a couple seconds, because now we'll look. But this looks like, if we get this inversion, it's good. If not, this is Chuz. Jesus Christ, bro, this is Chuz right now. 7, 6, inverse 4. No, bro, what are we doing? Inverse this shit. I'll give it one more. I'll give it one more. If not, I'm just low-key gonna hop. I'm gonna hop off at 10:40. Ideally. Should I? I don't know. Yeah, Looks like we're gonna take the low out or some fucking shit. Let's see this 15. Short that shit bit. This actually doesn't look bad to short. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. Alright. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. I'd like to see a sweep of the lows. And then a long up. Because it looks like we're just accumulating. So yeah, I don't want to take the 1 minute as of now. I want to see a sweep and get a long off of that. I don't think this looks as good. I don't even want to take it anymore, I don't think. I'm just trying to I just don't like it. I don't really like it. I want to see a low get swept. Yeah, I don't want to take this long. Yeah, I'm not taking this long. This is way too mid. We're chopping, bro. We need to see a sweep of the lows. It's way too choppy for me. And it's a Friday. Alright, well, you did get a sweep of the lows, but I want NASDAQ to take the low, too. I don't give a fuck. But yes, dude, I want us to take this low. This is straight chop. What the fuck's at the door? I mean, bro, because if we look at this, bro, it's just trend line liquidity. I don't give a fuck. This shit needs to be taken out first, and then we can go higher for my liking. At this point, I'm not even targeting data highs. For some reason, this shit will work though. This 1 minute, and I don't want to take it though. But we did get that internal low sweep with this low, so I'd like to see them come fucking into this hourly, and then we go higher. That would be nice. Just a little. Like, we're not getting a strong enough initial reaction off of anything. If it's taking this long, then there's no reason. Like, we're just chopping. Why would I want to wait? It's been almost fucking 20 minutes that we've been waiting for this fucking shit, the inverse. We'll take this shit on paper. I don't even care. But this is not a good trade in my eyes. I don't give a fuck that we threw in the internal SMT. I just don't like this. Boom, we're in there. Stop loss at SMT low. Take profit. Is that a 1-to-1? Nope. Take profit 1. We'll just throw it up here. I might even throw in. I don't fucking. Nah. I did say I was gonna take today off anyways, so I'm not gonna just enter off of like that bullshit. This isn't good to me. Like I'm not gonna just fucking enter. Watch time because we're gonna fucking make a 15-minute probably. Yeah, I mean, yes, it's gonna make one at least. So throw that there. NQ can fucking. I mean, we could still sweep the low and then go higher, but yeah, no, ES is. We're not even like looking that correlated at this point. Like they're going down, we're just going up. I think we're like obviously the leading one. It should be bullish, but so we did create that. Boom, stop loss to break even. The fuck? Delete that. TP1's up here. But yeah, risk free because we're in this 15-minute gap. So I hope it gets broke even just so I like didn't even waste my time and waste even literally like $2 on fees. But I mean, this shit should work. I just don't like the LRL at the stop loss. That's just my only thing that I have against it. This could be a great PDI to the downside, I can't even lie. I'm just not bearish in general, so I can't necessarily take it. We are hitting a 15-minute. We still haven't rebalanced this whole fucking range essentially, like fully. I mean, we probably did with this low. But yeah, I mean, we just rebalanced it. I don't know. It's just like, I don't want to trade today. Please break even this shit. That's like all I'm asking for. I mean, we do have SMT with a 15-minute here. So I do see shorts potentially being a play here. And break even. Let's fucking go. I'm happy I didn't take that now. Just didn't waste my time. Alright, so let's see. We got a 2-minute. Let's see what this one's gonna look like. Is this at least a 1-to-1? Hell yeah, it is. Honestly, I like this. I can't even lie. I can't lie to you. This actually looks good to me. I'm in on this. This looks good. We hit the 15-minute. Yeah. We inverse all this shit. We have a bunch of low resistance liquidity. We haven't necessarily like rebalanced the whole thing. We're just showing obvious bearish price action as of right now. I might have to break even at this low, but ideally we just flush from here. This looks like a good short though, I can't even lie. 2-minute inversion. Let's see what the macro does. This is actually like a good loss in my eyes. I can't even lie. This actually looks really good to trade. I think we should just flush. I understand all that SMT and everything, but this I'm gonna see. Yeah, there's that 15-minute. I'll be surprised if this doesn't work, honestly. We're pretty discounted, so there's that, but this looked good enough to throw on some shit. $13.75 is my entry. So, like I said, ideally we just flush. I don't want the macro to come up and take us out, but yeah. I feel like we should continue lower. Five-minute candle range 3 with the 15-minute candle rejection. I have to go to the bathroom really fucking bad though. I can't even lie to you. Oh my gosh, I have to go to the bathroom. Fuck. Let's refresh this. Why isn't it showing my live P&L? Oh my god, I have to go to the bathroom. Fucking hell. Oh shit. Here, I'm just gonna take this. I'll be right back. risking like a little bit over 120 on this on each account, so like 360. But yeah, looking for some delivery to the downside. Let's see, what is our 1-to-1? Oh my god, this does not feel good. Like my stomach now, I don't know, it's just so cooked. Oh. I don't know why we can't just shit the bed to the downside. Yeah, there's not even... Yeah, we'll see. I'm kind of generating on both directions, like both sides are generating liquidity. Probably not the best idea that I shorted this, but I mean, I went less, like low risk, so I mean, 68 ticks with 4 contracts. Yeah, like 136, so I mean, it's fine. If I lose, and I won't even be mad about it, it's whatever. Obviously, it sucks, but you know, what am I gonna do at this point? I'm already in. So, yeah, whatever. Just sit and wait. Actually, I'll just go in, like, while I wait, I might as well just go into it. I mean, yes, overall I was bullish, but I saw what I needed to see to enter for a short. And yeah, basically it was, we came into this 15-minute gap, right? We had like a very, what looked to be a very strong rejection off of it, and we were about to get stopped out. We had what, a 2-minute inversion is the highest time frame. We were just generating liquidity. Originally, I was looking for this long, but I would have been broke even off of it. And I was like, well, this LRL looks so fucking clean. I'm just gonna take that. If we look at the fucking 4-hour, we are not rebalanced. So I'm also looking for us to rebalance this range with this trade. So we got our retracement, we got our entry, we have low resistance liquidity. I mean, yeah, we are rejecting a higher time frame PD array as well. So I don't see any reason for this to be a. That's not. I don't know. I mean, we're not. It's not the best trade, but because we are also discounted pretty well. But this just looks like it should work for me. And we'll see if it does want to work. But I did purposely use low risk on this because of, one, it's late, it's a Friday. Two, dude, I want 11 not to fuck me. Every time the hourly candle fucks me, bro. Oh my goodness, we're gonna get fucking fried here. But no, yeah, we're gonna get cooked. Oh my gosh. Whatever. I could technically just close now and not have to take the loss, but what if it works? I'll be mad, and I took a loss for no reason. So, what's it called? I don't know what I was saying, but basically we should just shit the bed. Is what I wanted to do. I saw this as nice displacement, and then like, yeah, so I mean, whatever. I mean, ES is looking bearish right here. I mean, if NQ can just push lower, bro. Push lower, bro. We can get a really strong candle closure down here. That'd be beautiful. Just like displace. Stop is at break even. I'm not waiting for the 1-1. I'm gonna just let this ride. Got a good candle closure. I don't think we should come back up. If we do, whatever. At least we didn't lose any bread. If they hit this low though, which I believe is that hourly, then I will close if they hit it before us. So I will add this alert here in case that happens. And I believe we have hit this 1-1 point, but I do have strong conviction that we will draw to this low. Sell side liquidity. So just let it do its fucking thing, essentially. I could actually close off too. We'll first make sure it's a 1-1. Oh. Oh, not 12. Fuck. Wow. Diabolical. I threw a limit order there. So, we'll see. That is fucked up. That's disrespectful. That's disrespectful. That is extremely disrespectful, is what I gotta say. And I think we should shit the bed right now, is what I think. We should shit the bed. Take. Do you not think that's disrespectful? Boom. There's TP1. And this should be TP2. Honestly, if they take this low, I'll just close. Bankroll!